factory. Just wanted to walk you through one of our most famous floor plans called the Pecan Valley. It's supposed to be going out tomorrow, so I thought I'd sneak in here before it gets into final finishing and kind of walk you through the house. So this is from our Keystone series. So the Keystone, as you know, the majority of the house comes with tape and texture, with the exceptions of closets, pantries, bathrooms, and the utility room. One of the things that makes the Pecan Valley one of the most popular plans is that it is an open but closed floor plan. Has the most cabinetry out of any home that we offer. Nice big island. So on this home here, I'll show it again tomorrow, but it looks like it's going to have the microwave and then the oven here combo. Here's our new range hood with the Subway tile backsplash. So I'll come in again tomorrow and walk this house when it's actually in final finishing. But this way they have it almost completely together, so it makes it easier for me to show off and give you an idea of what the home looks like. So these folks went with no carpet in the house. The home comes with 8.5 flat ceilings. One-piece tub shower. Okay, so this one's our Pecan Valley 3. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Or actually, this is the Pecan Valley 1, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The Pecan Valley 3 actually comes with a living room on this end of the house here. But this utility room, as you can see, has a space there for the utility sink, has space for your chest freezer. You have a utility closet and the space for your washer and dryer. So nice large utility room. Comes off the back end of the house here. So on this particular home, I believe they put a sliding glass door in this one. So this has 3 exits to the home. We got the front door, the utility room, and the dining room. Pecan Valley also offers a retreat room, which on this one they turn into the home office, which we all know 2020 was filled with a lot of changes as far as people now working from home versus at a building. So it looks like this whole house, they didn't put any carpet in it. Someone like myself who suffers from allergies, that's a very smart choice. I know it's something that I did in my home. Okay, and this is the walk-in closet. So you can walk into your closet and walk right into your bathroom. Okay, so we'll go around the other way. We don't have to worry about moving the ladder. Nice big slip-in tub versus the standalone. The water closet. Alright guys, this is the Pecan Valley KH3063P. Tune in tomorrow and be happy to walk you through final finishing of the home. We're going to go ahead and clean down the house, finish up all the small details of the home before it gets ready to ship out. If you have any questions regarding this home, you can always contact us directly with the information below. I look forward to speaking to y'all. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Take care. Love you.